Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 3 Excel tricks that you must learn as an Excel user. Let's get started. Consider that you have a data set, same as you can see in the screen, with a header, serial number, order date, region, etc. with a data of 58 rows. Alright, after completing this report, you find that two data that you have entered in this report is wrong and you want to delete it. Let's say you want to delete serial number 5, you're deleting it, and you want to delete serial number 10, so you're deleting it. Now you might have noticed that the serial numbers are not getting updated when you delete data from your data set, right? How can you fix this? So it can be fixed with a simple equation equals to row. So what is this equation does is it will give you the row number of that particular cell. Like for example, if I enter equals row here, it will tell me that I am in the second row. If I am entering here as row, it will tell me I am in the 15th row, right? So since you have an header already here, you want to start the numbering with 1, correct? So to do that, you just need to use an equation equals row, open and close bracket, minus 1. So what we are telling here is to minus 1 from your current row. So it gives the answer as 1, and you just simply double click it, and now you can see the entire data set is being updated with the right numbering. All right, now if you delete column number 12, or sorry, if you delete serial number 12 from here, it's get updated automatically. Let's say I'm deleting 22, it gets updated automatically. In this section, we are going to learn how to do grouping of columns or rows in an Excel report. Consider that you want to send this report to your manager, but you don't want to show him how many units you have sold or what is the unit cost for it. You can simply do that by selecting these two columns and right click and hide, right? But I would say that's not professional. So let me undo it, and I can show you a different way of doing the same task in a proper professional way. All right, to do that, let's go to the tab data here. Then you select those two columns, then reach out to outline section, then you can see group, select that and click on group. That's it, you're done with it. Now you can see a minus symbol here. When you click on it, those two columns get hidden. When you click on a plus symbol, those two are visible right now to your manager. So the plus point is that whenever you send this report to your manager, he will know that there is some columns being hidden here. That's why there is a symbol plus. Right, so he can simply click on it to see what are those columns hidden there. So far we have learned auto numbering using row function, and then we have learned a grouping of columns using grouping function in Excel, right? Now let's learn how to change the text orientation of your header. Let's to do that, select your header. You can either reach out to alignment section by right clicking and select, click on format cell, or you can do the same by going to home button, then click on this symbol here under alignment section. So it will also take you directly to the alignment section here. Then you simply change your text orientation to whatever degree you want to. Now let me change it to 90 degree so that I can utilize the space of the report. Now see, the orientation of the text got changed. Now let me select the entire report, just double click to adjust the width of the cell. See, I have saved a lot of space and my report become very small. Now let me hide those two columns by clicking on the minus symbol there. I hope you like this video. Those who didn't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.